Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Few things are more annoying than being interrupted by persistent pop-up windows while you are trying to browse. In this video, I'll show you how to take control by managing pop-up blocker in Google Chrome on your Windows PC. By default, Chrome does a great job of blocking most pop-ups, but sometimes you might need to adjust the settings. First, let's check your main blocker settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, on the left-hand menu, choose Privacy and Security. Then, on the right, click on Site Settings. Now, scroll down until you see the Content section and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. You'll land on the main control page at the top. Make sure the settings is toggled to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This is the default and recommended settings that blocks most pop-ups. But what if a trusted site like your bank or email needs pop-ups to work? You can allow it. To allow pop-ups for a specific site, go back to the pop-ups and redirect settings page here. You'll see a section called Allow. Click the Add button next to it. A small window will appear. Simply type the exact address of the website you want to allow and then click Add. Now, that one specific site can show pop-ups while the rest of the web remains blocked. Here's a quick tip, guys. If a pop-up gets through, you'll see a small icon that looks like a block in your address bar. You can click on it to quickly manage the permissions for that specific site. If this guide helped you declutter your browsing experience, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.